Hello there. Um, a thing that came up with some people today for me was they wanted to know how to copy and make the same course from multiple classes. And I said, why don't you use groups? So I'm going to show you how to make groups. Groups are nice. Then you have one, say you have one course, but you want to use for 3 or 4 different classes, then it's very easy. Anything you make will automatically be updated for all classes instead of doing one by one. So let's learn how to make groups and upload students to them. So you go into your course, click, make sure your editing is on, click the gear button, cogwheel, whatever you want to call it, click more, then click users, and then clicking groups. And then here you will add your groups. Very simple. Create group. And then you will just give your group names, something simple like, say, Monday 2. Okay, the ID number, you don't need it unless you're doing many courses on one Moodle. If you want, you don't have to, but you could give some type of group description if you want. Okay. Then add a password. Always good to add password. Okay. And then again, messaging or no messaging. Okay. Now, the only thing you have to add is a group name. The other things are optional, so it's up to you. Click Save Changes. And now you have a group there. Then, say you want to add another group. Oh. Okay. And now you have groups. So I have my Monday second period, Monday third period class. They're using the same thing, but as you can see, there are no users. So very simple to add. Choose the group you want to add your users to, click, make sure it's highlighted, add, remove, and then you'll have different students here. Click. You can choose individual ones or the whole thing. In this case, the whole, you just add. And then back to group. And now you see you have none there, but now you have 15 students in there. And it's very simple. Now, when you're back there, you can always go through participants here. And then you can just search by groups. Okay, in this case, I only have students in group 2. And they'll show there. But if I were to change that and say I choose Monday third period, I have no students. So it's very easy to add groups.